Today we're at the Overland Expo and we're going to tour some luxury overlanding RVs. The EarthRoamer LTi sits on a Ford F550 chassis with a 6.7 liter turbo diesel engine. It is 29 feet long, 8 feet wide, and has a maximum height of 12 feet. It holds 95 gallons of fuel, 100 gallons of fresh water, 40 gallons of gray water, and has a 5-gallon black water cassette. It comes with 1,300 watts of solar and 12,000 watt-hours of batteries. It can sleep up to 4 people. They have 6 floor plans available, and with standard features, the MSRP starts around $730,000 and can go up to approximately $840,000. So one of our favorite things to do at the Overland Expo is to look inside these EarthRoamers.
They're awesome.
Yeah, they're really cool. It's hard because you can't really go in because they're roped off, but we can show you. So there's a bed up top, a sofa kind of right below the bed here, and then they've got dining set up, some overhead cabinets. This is the refrigerator freezer, the bathroom. There's storage on the back side. The pantry and wardrobe, and then this is the sink and stove. Anyway, super cool. Then you have the outdoor storage slash they have a smoker set up. That's kind of fun. And then the back side.
I feel like it would be harder to put our bikes on that than it is to put them on the top of the truck.
Yes. A spare tire up there, awnings, and then this.
So they've got like this giant pass-through under the...
Yeah, that one does.
I guess that's under the table or under the bed. So this one doesn't have it.
Oh, this one has the rear bed. Oh, this one's super cool. I remember it, or something similar build from last year.
Is it?
So this is the EarthRoamer SX. It's going to be the next one we go in, hopefully.
It's got at least as much space as the Airstream does.
Yeah. Alright, so this is the Roamer SX. It's on a F, I assume F like 450 or 550.
Is it on a 550 chassis?
I don't see it.
It's a
No, it's a Chevy.
The EarthRoamer SX sits on a Chevrolet 6500 four-wheel drive chassis with a 6.6 turbo diesel engine. It is 34 feet long, 8 feet wide, and maximum height of 12 feet. It has 100 gallons of fuel capacity, 120 gallons for fresh water, 55 gallons for gray water, and 2 5-gallon cassettes of black water. It comes with 1,600 watts of solar and 18,000 watt-hours. It can sleep up to 6 people. There are 4 floor plans to choose from. The base price of this SX is $1,090,000, and well-equipped goes up to $1.2 million.
It's got, both of them have the awnings. This one's on a Chevy. And then up the stairs, so you've got some storage space here. Bed, bathroom. This is a really cool one. So it's got the wardrobe, storage, refrigerator, freezer, microwave, and then, oh, they let us go a little bit further this year. So this converts into, I believe, like a king bed, if not a queen bed. And then overhead storage.
That's awesome.
The Pronghorn?
It's got a deck.
Yeah. I really dig the deck. The Pronghorn Oribi sits on a single cab Dodge Ram 5500 4x4 chassis. The overall habitat size is 15 feet long, 7 feet 10 inches wide, and a maximum height of 7 feet. It has large fresh and gray water tanks, a composting toilet with direct liquid plumbing. It comes with 1,420 watts of solar and 600 amp hours of batteries. The complete build is $476,222 US. Hi. That's cool. Pronghorn Expedition.
I mean, we can go in there now.
Thanks.
You have a seat to take your shoes off, and that way you don't fall over.
This is the Delta Automotive MT-60. Delta offers a wide range of expedition vehicles. Each vehicle is designed to meet the customer needs, and the space is carefully used and tailored to meet your desires. The MSRP is based on each custom build, and you can inquire about the expedition vehicles on their website.
So this is still being built. So some of these doors aren't really
They're not
doors
real?
yet. Well, most of them are, but some of them aren't.
So you got a full bath.
Open that door, yes you can. That is a full bathroom, and it's very
Oh my.
Yes,
That is so cool.
very nice.
Yeah. And twin beds in the back.
Yeah, very nice.
A lot of
setup
people
back
don't
there.
do that.
No, go step up there. It's real
I'm
safe.
scared. Everyone always has it roped off, so I'm always scared to go
No,
in.
go ahead.
A ton of storage too.
Yeah, and then obviously over my head here is another bed that this comes down. All electric, hydraulic. Yes, very nice.
It's very meticulous. There's a whole full bath in there, like a shower and everything.
Full
It's very
bath?
nice. Yeah, it's cool. The Wanderbox Outpost 29 sits on a Ford F600 4x4 chassis. It's 29 feet long with an 18-foot cabin. It has 66 gallons of fuel, 70-gallon freshwater and gray water tanks, as well as a 50-gallon black water tank. It comes with 1,500 watts of solar and 5 kilowatt-hour batteries. The MSRP for the base model starts at $300,000. I like this tabletop. It's kind of neat.
You could do that. We say like do a table where it's mounted to the and swings out.
Yeah.
No.
We can. We just have holes in the floors.
Is that like heaters? So we got the pneumatic air conditioner, we got alcohol heating. Okay.
We got to tour the all-new Airstream Interstate 19X LE Outland Edition.
So that is a wrap on the Mercedes Airstream, and it's got the rivets. That's a cool wrap.
The Interstate 19X LE Outland sits on a Mercedes-Benz Spinner 2500 all-wheel drive chassis. Put all those stickers on. It's like
It's a wrap. So everything, this is all part of it. It's a printed wrap. Oh no, you're right. These are all stickers.
I got somebody out there with the tape measure.
I was 10 feet away. I thought for sure it was a wrap.
It's 19 feet 5 inches long, 6 feet 7 inches wide, and an overall height of 9 feet 9 inches. It has a 24.5 gallon diesel fuel tank, 20 gallon freshwater tank, 16 gallon gray water tank, and a 9 gallon black water tank. It has a net weight of 7,800 pounds with a gross vehicle weight of 13,930 pounds, giving you about 1,200 pounds of carrying capacity. It comes with a 12,000 watt hour battery pack,
and only 30 of these will be made, so if you're interested, contact your dealer for pricing and availability. We hope you enjoyed touring these luxury overlanding vehicles at the Overland Expo Mountain West. Which one was your favorite? Let us know. Thanks for watching.